Yeah, have him come right to me.
Go right to Daddy.
Okay, let's go together.
Here we go. No, have him come right to me. Bend your knees, come towards Daddy.
Good job.
Awesome.
Great.
Good job. Good job. Have him come to me again.
Okay, let's do it again.
All right, buddy.
You're doing good, Elijah.
Doing good.
Bend
Come on.
those knees.
No, you can let him go ahead. We got him. We got him covered. Let him go.
Bend those knees.
Let him go.
Yay. Woo.
Good job.
Elijah.
See, he's fine. You're awesome, dude.
Yeah. Great
You're
job.
awesome. Come right to me. Awesome job.
Yep, Daddy, keep it, yep.
Come right to me. Almost. You got to move just a little bit.
See how
I got to get my poles.
you put your weight on this one? Okay, ready? Here we go.
Here we go. I got you right here.
How about to Uncle Dave for a minute?